Hello my Totodile family and welcome back to Totodile Tales. We are back for another episode of Shorts, which means I am opening one pack of Vivid Voltage. If you didn't see the last Shorts video, go check it out. They're very fast. I pulled a really good card from it. I'm going to remind you guys that these ones, if you pull a green code card, you can still pull a amazing rare. Fighting Energy, Galvantula, Swallow, Wash Energy, Fanfi, Duskull, Electrike, Pineco, Mudbray, Reverse Terrakion, and a Manectric as our rare. As always, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.